Hi, everybody. I wanted to show you one quick productivity tip, and it's relatively easy to do. You'll notice in pretty much everything Google, especially when you're on Google Chrome, you've got what are known as the app launcher, Google Apps. Sometimes it's just called the waffle. If you click on that, some people, and myself included, didn't realize, but you can actually move these apps around. So, for example, if Google Classroom is something that you're going to use on a regular basis, you can actually click and drag and make Google Classroom one of your first apps. A lot of times, your account manager you may not need, so I'm going to move that one down. I could also do Docs, I can do Gmail. You can also, there's another separate grouping of apps down here. So you could drag YouTube up if that's something you're using a lot. So you can basically organize your apps just the way you want them. And that app should carry over. So, for example, if you go, say, to Calendar, or let me move over to Google Drive, you'll also see the apps launcher here. And if I click on it, notice I've the same settings that I just had created before is here as well. Last thing, there are some extra apps down below here, such as Brain Pop or some of these other apps. Those are not, you don't have the ability to move those anywhere. So it'll give you a red circle and let you know. So just thought I'd give you that quick tip. I hope, hopefully it's helpful.